It seems like the InfinityO display will be making it to the Galaxy S10 according to a trusted source. Ming-chi Kuo had to cut down his predictions on the iPhone XR sales because it apparently isn't appealing enough. And if you thought the LG G and V series were merging, it seems that the V isn't going anywhere. I'm Jaime Rivera, and Taipei has some really nice views and hotel rooms. Not so good lighting, but you know the drill. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product launches, not deals necessarily. For those of you that want to get yourself a Razer Phone 2, AT&T just picked up the phone, and this is probably one of our favorite gaming phones so far. I will have a review for you guys very soon. Well, the price tag is $800. It narrows down to around $27 when you look at installments, which is not necessarily that bad. You can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about Samsung and their variant of the Galaxy S9 Plus called Ice Blue that just launched in China. For those of you that like the whole Twilight design of the P20 series and Mate 20 series from Huawei, this is pretty much that same appeal, which I love. I love the fact that Samsung is willing to experiment with new color options, and it follows on the rumors that the Galaxy S10 might also adopt this. We'll see. Now, for those of you that have been skeptical over the death of the LG V lineup or whatever is going to happen with the G, according to rumors, it seems that the G is the one that's going to die, as LG has just trademarked pretty much every LG V up until V90. From V50 to V90, yes, it seems that they are betting everything on this lineup, which, I mean, the V40 was good. Well, not necessarily my favorite phone. It was a good, promising device, feels great in the hand, so yeah, expect more Vs in the future. Now let's move the spotlight over to Apple and the iPhone XR. We were hoping that this device was going to be a top seller, and so was Ming-chi Kuo. He was predicting 100 million units to be sold. Well, that's changed now to 70 million. Apparently people aren't going crazy over the XR, and it seems that people are actually reacting more to devices like the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, which we actually recommended as the best bang for your buck. That was a separate video from Taylor. So yeah, I mean, well, it seems that the iPhone XR wasn't as Apple predicted, and we weren't expecting much anyway. And finally, the hot news today have to do with famous tipster Evan Blass and the Galaxy S10. Once Evan gets his hands on something, I trust it. And well, he talked about specifications that we are expecting, triple cameras, and the whole One UI that's coming from Samsung. But the most interesting part is, what Infinity display are we getting? I mean, we saw all the Infinity notch options, and it seems that the one that's going to stick, at least to one of these phones, is the InfinityO, which means just a cutout for the camera, but then it's all display, no notch, except for the cutout of the camera, which I find to be cool. I mean, if I have to pay for that price, I'd rather that over the notch. But in the comments down below, let us know what you think. Do you like this idea of the InfinityO display instead of something like a sliding mechanism, or I don't know? Because in my case, I feel that this is going to be great in addition to that on-display fingerprint scanner. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.